Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious tomatillo salsa that goes with everything, especially with crispy tacos. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Delicious and easy green salsa, these are my ingredients. I have tomatillos, half a cup of chile de árbol, 3 garlic cloves, 1/4 of onion, and salt to taste. This is everything we need to enjoy a delicious and spicy green salsa. So let's get started. To make this amazing and delicious salsa, look, we are going to wake up our 3 garlic cloves. When you smash them like this, it's very easy to remove the skin of the garlic cloves. Believe me, add 3 garlic cloves. This is going to really give your salsa an amazing and delicious flavor. Once this is done, I'm going to put it aside and I'm going to continue with 1/4 of an onion that I'm cutting in half. And then, of course, my green tomatillos. The green tomatillos have a sticky feeling. I'm going to remove the skin just like this. And I have about 14 tomatillos. And after I am done taking the skin off, I am going to rinse them very good and get that tacky stickiness away, and of course the little dust or dirt that they have. And once they're nice and rinsed, look at this, they're nice and shiny, they're no longer sticky. Now I'm ready. I am ready to make this amazing and delicious roasted salsa. Let me tell you, when you roast a salsa, you wake up all those amazing flavors and your salsa is going to be delicious. This side of the tomatillo goes to the bottom because this side is the side that takes much longer to cook. So I'm going to put my tomatillos. I'm going to add my 2 pieces of onion, my 3 garlic cloves, and my chiles de árbol. You decide how many chiles de árbol. I have half a cup of chile de árbol. You know I love spicy food. If you don't like too spicy, just add a couple of chiles serranos. The chiles serranos are very spicy. It's a very delicious chile and it's a staple in the Mexican salsas. Well, here, let me show you my garlic cloves are getting nice and toasted. I am flipping over the onion. I want the onion to start getting nice and roasted and look nice and golden brown. The garlic doesn't take too long, so be careful. You want to remove them, put them aside with the chile de árbol. And of course, do not flip over your tomatillos. Leave them like that until they change color. That's going to take about 5 to 7 minutes. So make sure that you remove your garlic cloves so they don't get burned. And be extra careful with your onion. You only want the onion to get nice and roasted and then remove it. You want to make sure that the onion is not burnt at all. It's just nice and toasted. And when you start smelling the onion, it is time to remove it. I am ready to remove, and then I'm just adding to this plate. I'm going to leave my tomatillos here on the hot skillet until they change color and they get nice and soggy. Yes, you want them nice and juicy, so I'm going to leave them behind. This is going to take, like I said, from 5 to 7 minutes. When you start flipping them over, you're going to feel them nice and fluffy, nice and juicy. Once you flip them over, just leave them on the comal for about a minute or 2, and then you're ready to directly put it into your blender. This salsa has such a smoky and delicious flavor. Let me tell you, Well, here the tomatillos are ready. As you could see, they have changed color. And now I am ready to put them into my blender cup. My mouth is watering with all these amazing aromas. And here I have the tomatillos. I am going to add my chile de árbol, garlic, and onion directly on top of the tomatillos. I'm not going to use any water, any liquid. I'm only using the tomatillos and the rest of the ingredients. Of course, I am going to add salt to taste. You could add salt, you could add chicken bouillon, you decide. And now I am ready to blend. This salsa of tomatillo is going to be so chunky, so spicy, and of course, delicious. Look at the texture. This tomatillo salsa is very lemony, very delicious. Like I said, look at the texture. It's nice and chunky. We didn't add any liquid at all. And of course, I am ready to enjoy it with an amazing tostada. Like I said, if you got to this part of the video, you like and you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Be part of Cooking with Gloria. Be part of Cooking with Gloria growing here in this platform. Thank you so much for being part of my family. I am ready to enjoy and ready for the presentation. So I'll see you in just a little bit. Amazing roasted tomatillo salsa. This salsa goes with everything. Crispy tacos, soft tacos, sopes, you decide. Even topping up your breakfast eggs. This is an amazing green salsa that I know you guys are going to love. So your salsa lasts a little longer. Don't ever put your tostada inside the salsa. Always add a little bit at a time and enjoy it like I am going to enjoy it today with this tostada. Excuse me. So delicious. I really love the combination of the tomatillo and the chiles de árbol. It's really sour, really spicy, but you know something? It's just perfect. If you like and love this amazing tomatillo green salsa, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.